Hello everyone and welcome back to another Playmo YT unboxing and review. Today we're taking a look at the Playmobil Special Plus set number 70061, The Kids at the Park. I just made that up because I have no idea what this one is called. I didn't even bother looking it up. Not that it's really any bother when it's something you love, but I have no idea what to call these. This was a gift I found in my stocking on Christmas Day. I told my wife I just wanted like some random Playmobil gift in my stocking, or you know, gifted to me in some fashion, and this was one of them. And this one was completely unexpected because the other ones I asked for, but this one was just kind of like thrown in there. And this box, as you can see, is a bit beat up, so I have no problem with tearing this one up in order to do this review. As you can see, we have our typical Playmobil photo here on the front of the package, where we've got our boy and girl. The girl is on rollerblades and the boy is on a bicycle, and we have a few green safety cones there so they can weave through them and practice their balancing skills. And on the left side of the box, my right, its left, we have a continuation of that image, and on the right side we have the Special Plus logo, the YouTube logo, Playmobil logo, and barcode. The bottom, this one's got the choking hazard warnings prominently displayed where you can't see them unless you look, and then the top has the Facebook logo and the country of manufacture. Finally, we have the back where it has the rest of the choking hazards in various languages, and then our pictures of all the contents photographed separately here. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and tear this box up to get it open. I still can't really tear it up because that's just not me. I try to do it as neatly as possible. Cute kid, we got a mouse on a skateboard printed on her hoodie. This could be the shirt that she's wearing over the hoodie. So it gives me the impression that this might be a cooler kind of day, and she just happens to be outside because mom and dad are sick of her being inside the house. Yeah, this is just a really nice figure. I like the fact that it's got a printed design on the shirt. It's very cute. It's very kid-like. She comes with, I guess the rollerblades are just these little pieces here that fasten onto the bottom. Oh, and of course they click. They click onto the bottom of the shoe. How fitting for a Clicky by Playmobil for that to do that. There we go. So here she is. She's got her rollerblades on. Very nice. And of course, she's a responsible child, so she's wearing, whoa, she's wearing a helmet. And it happens to be pink to match her outfit, and her rollerblades, of course. Here is our boy Clicky. He's got kind of shaggy hair, which is okay. He's going to be in a helmet, and that's what's going to get him to look like that. I like the fact that he's in cargo pants. That's really nice. I don't think I have any kid figures with cargo pants. That's kind of a nice new touch. And he's got a blue helmet to match his blue sweatshirt / hoodie. And here we have the 4 green safety cones. There's not a whole lot to show there, but there's 4 of them. Alright, so here's the bike. As you can see, we have the frame here. There's a seat right there on the top. And then for the handlebars here, evidently we've got a tire already attached to the handlebars. I guess I got lucky. I'm gonna pop that right in there. And then So this actually reminds me of the boys and girls adult bike set that I got in the 80s, back when I was living in Germany. I think I was about 8 years old at the time that I got them, but I thought they were really cool because they had bicycles, and it was the first time I had seen bicycles by Playmobil, and I was really into riding bikes because I just learned, I know I'm a late bloomer, just learned how to ride my bike. I had some serious balancing issues, or that I was just really scared. I don't remember. My dad might, but anyway, I bought this set and was crazy about them. Just loved them. Just had them all the time, even playing with the cowboy sets and stuff like that. So, years later, I sold a lot of my Playmobil. And I had just happened to be visiting my parents last summer, 2021, and went through the shed, just rummaging through boxes and stuff, and found those bikes. And so happy to see those bikes that I brought them home and was reassembling them after cleaning them up quite a bit, and went to put the handlebars on the red bike, and the little clip that fastens onto the handlebars, it actually broke, snapped right in half. I was devastated, just torn that I had broken this piece of plastic. And granted, it's a 30-year piece of plastic now, but still, I really wanted to keep that around for a lot longer. So it's really nice to have a new bike in our collection, and a kid's bike. I don't have any kids' bikes already, so this is a new piece to add to the ever-growing collection. Alright guys, and that concludes our unboxing video today for Playmobil Special Plus set number 70061. I'm not even going to attempt to even give this set a name, just because it was such a big fail at the very beginning of the video. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. We have more on the way, so please subscribe if you haven't already. Follow us on Instagram, subscribe to this channel, and we will see you in the next one. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye-bye.